A broken zipper is something almost everyone has experienced on a bag, a jacket, or even a pair of pants. It seems like a small issue, but it can be really annoying, especially when you're in a hurry. In this video, I'll show you a simple way to fix a broken zipper without going to a repair shop or buying a new one. With just a few basic tools at home, your zipper will work perfectly again just like new. The first step is to apply wax along the zipper track. This simple method helps make the zipper slide smoothly without getting stuck. You can also use Vaseline or a bit of oil as an alternative. These materials create a thin layer that reduces friction and allows the zipper to move easily again just like new. Which country are you watching this video from? Let me know in the comments below. It's amazing to know that we can connect with each other from all around the world. After applying the wax, open the zipper and gently position the slider at the end of the track. Then, press the metal part of the zipper head using pliers. With frequent use, the zipper head usually becomes a bit loose. Gently press until the metal part closes tightly again. Remember, don't press too hard, the metal part can easily break. So, do this step carefully. Look at the result, the zipper closes perfectly, with no gaps at all. This simple method works perfectly to fix a zipper easily. If the zipper still feels a bit stiff when opening or closing, you can apply the wax again along the zipper track. Next, I'm going to show you an amazing tip that almost no one knows about. A simple trick that will make your work so much easier. First, take some tape, then wrap it around your hand. Start from the base of your palm and roll it all the way to the tip evenly. An ordinary item that we usually use just for packing can actually be far more useful. With a bit of knowledge and a touch of creativity, this simple tool reveals an incredible hidden function once you know how to use it. For those of you who have pets like cats, dogs, or other furry animals, we often hug them to show our affection. However, that often leaves tiny hairs stuck on our clothes, making them look messy and dirty. Now, the tape we wrapped around our palm earlier can actually be used to remove those fine hairs from clothing. You should know that tape has a very strong adhesive surface, making it perfect for lifting pet hair off fabric easily. Instead of struggling to pick each hair one by one, or having to wash your clothes, just use this simple method. It's quick, easy, and instantly effective. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and join our community. We've got plenty of exciting ideas and creative tips to share with you. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. It really motivates us to create even more amazing content. Share this video with your friends or family. Who knows, it might be useful for them in the future. Thank you for taking the time to watch, and see you in the next video.